Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be looking at logarithm. Today we are going to be looking at what? Logarithm. There are two major types of logarithm that we have. We have the common or natural logarithm, which is log to base 10. Which is log to base what? 10. Whenever you have logarithm of a number like this logarithm of number 100 to base 10, this is what we call natural logarithm or common logarithm. Is that clear? But any logarithm that we have to other base is not natural. Can you see these ones? This is logarithm to base what? 2. This is logarithm to base what? 5. You understand? For these ones that are not to base 10, we use what we call theory of logarithm to solve them. Is that clear? And now, what is logarithm? The logarithm of a number n. Can you see the logarithm of a number n? Can you see it? Log n. The logarithm of a number n to base a. To base a. Can you see the base? The base is the one that is written small. And log n is the main number. Is that clear? Logarithm of a number n to base a, written as log n base a. Can you see that? Is the power. Is the what? Power. Can you see it? Is the power to which a must be raised to obtain n. Can you see the power a is raised? A is raised to what? X. In order to obtain what? N. In order to obtain what? N. Is the number to which a must be raised in order to obtain what? N. That is what we call logarithm. Can you see this is log of a n to base a. X is log of n to base n. You understand? X is log of n to base a. And it's simply the what? The power to which a must be raised in order to get n. Is that clear? So this is the index notation of this very logarithm notation. If you look at this log now, you have log 100 to base 10 gives you 2. It means that the power that this base 10 must be raised in order to